Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is the seventh video of React tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use state in class component. Before start, I will recommend you to watch full series of this tutorial for better understanding. To watch full series, click here. You can find link in description as well. Also follow us on Git, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for every update. You can find links in description. So let's get started. In this video, we will see how to use state in class component. So here we having class component and function component. We will use existing one. We are just going to remove existing code. So remove this. Okay. And from function component, remove this. Okay. Come into the app.js. From app.js, keep this import. Just remove this component which we have used several times. Okay. So just add sample class because first we will see the how to use state in class component. So come into the class component. Let's add here paragraph. I am a class component. Okay. Add another paragraph. In that, show the current count. For now, let's consider it 0. After that, add new button. Give here text. Click here. So now here we will initialize our state. So when you are using class component, that time you have to initialize state in constructor. So add here constructor. As we are a developer, our constructor concept is very clear, but here syntax is slightly different. We have to add constructor by using constructor keyword. So here constructor. Like this, we can add constructor into our class component. So when we are creating the constructor, we have to call super method because we have extend the component class. That's why we need to call super method. Now here we are initializing our state. In last video, we have seen how to use props in class component. Using this keyword, we are using props. Here also we are using same keyword to access state. So by using this keyword, we can access state into our component. This dot state is equal to, in open and close curly brace, add parameter which you want. So here I'm simply using count colon and initial value is 0. Done. So let's run the application to check the changes. So npm start is a command to start the application. Here you can see the result. We have added 2 paragraph and 1 button. Let's make some changes in design so that it will look like good. So come into code. In app.js, add here existing class name. We will use this existing class. Let's save. Now it's showing at center location. Good. So here what we have to do, by clicking on this button, we have to increase this value. So let's do the changes. Come into the class component. Instead of here hardcode 0, write open and close curly brace. Use this dot state dot count. Save the changes. Here you can see 0 because here we have initialized count parameter with 0. If we change here 5 and save changes, here also you can see fine result. Revert it to 0. Now on clicking on this button, we have to increase this value. So right here on click event, on click, you can observe this is in camel case equal to, in open and close curly brace. We are using arrow syntax. So right here function name, We are using class component, so we have to write function name with this keyword. So this dot increase value is the function. Let's copy it. Create function here. Okay. In this function, we have to increase this parameter. By using setState method, we can update the count parameter. So this dot setState. In this function, we are updating the parameter which we have initialized while initializing state. So use count colon this dot state dot count plus 1. So here we are adding 1 into the value which is currently present in count parameter, and we are assigning back to that parameter. So here we have done our changes. Let's see in action. So click here. Here you can see the count is getting increases. So here we have successfully used state in class component. So, so let's quickly revise the changes. In return method, we have write our HTML. In that HTML, we have used two paragraph to display our text, and one is for display count. We have used one button. On click event of that button, we have increased value. And here we have used constructor to initialize our state. So we are using class component, so that's why we have used this keyword in everywhere while initializing state, while updating state, while calling the method from class component. Also here we have added one on-click event for that button, and on click event of that button we have called one method which we have declared here. In that method we are using set state method. Into that method we are just updating that value. Here is the syntax. I hope you understand this syntax very well. Whatever we have done, you can see that in action here. So that's it for today. In next video, we will see how to use state in function component. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe for more interesting videos. So bye bye, take care. See you in next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.